Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Hello. Today we're going to start our new study and it's about cats. It's a picture right here of a cat. You can see that. We're going to talk about cats today. You think that's what we're going to talk about? No. This is so cool. We're going to talk about, what's this a picture of? Fire. Yeah, we're going to talk about fire. No, just kidding. No. But we're going to talk about, what's that a picture of? That's right, a basketball. And we're going to talk about all kinds of balls, okay? All right, and guess what? I got a box. What is in my box? Well, let me open the top and we'll see. You ready? Okay. I have what kind of ball is this? I didn't hear you. Right, a soccer ball. And I have what's this? A basketball, right. And my last ball that I want to do is guess. Oh, it's so heavy. It's not that heavy now. Yeah, football. I know all my boys like this ball, and this ball. And some of my girls might like this ball and this ball, the soccer ball. But we're going to learn about all of them, okay? All right. So we're going to get into compound words. And compound words are when you put two words together, all right? So I'm going to write a word for you. And guess what? You already know what word I'm going to write because we've already talked about these items that were in the box. So the first word that I'm going to write is, right, football. And guess what? Football is a compound word. It's the word foot. And I'm going to write that word. Foot. And the word ball written together. So I'm gonna split it up. You have the word foot. I'm gonna leave a space right here. I'm sorry, it's crooked. And the word, make it uppercase, B-A-L-L. So you have the word foot and ball. And when you put them together, it makes the word, right, football. All right. So you put both words together and it says football. Okay. Now we're going to write the word. Which ball is this? Right. Basketball. So I'm going to write the word basket. This is the word basket. Now I'm going to write ball. And this is the word ball. Basket, ball. And this is the word ball. Basket, and this is the word ball. Okay? Now I'm going to write them together. Now we have the word basketball. All right. Now we have one more word to write. And what kind of words are these? Compound words. Can you say that? Compound words. That's when you put two words together. Okay? Like the word foot and ball. It makes football. And the word basket and ball. And that makes basketball. And we have this. What is it? Right, a soccer ball. And guess what? I had to go on YouTube so I could learn how to draw a soccer ball properly. It's okay, but I wanted it very special for y'all. And I didn't do that right. I wrote the word together. So now I'm going to separate it. So that says soccer ball. Now I'm going to write the words separately. We have SOCCERBALL. And there's the space. Okay? We have soccer and then the word ball. Okay? Soccer and then the word ball. But together it says soccer ball. Okay? And we have basketball and football. Good job. And those are compound words. Good job. See, I knew you would get it. You guys are so smart. I'm looking for, I found them. All right. But we're going to write those words in a little bit, but we're going to play a game right quick. And it's about beginning sounds. Okay? So I'm going to bring you closer to me. And we're going to play a game with beginning sounds. Are you ready? So, this is a basketball. So, all of those things are going to begin with the what sound. You're right. The B sound. And what sound does B make? B. Good job. And this is a picture of a bus. And this is a picture of a, right, bone. And this is a picture of a butterfly. And who's in our class and their name begins with the letter B? Right, Beulah. Okay, now we have this picture. What's this a picture of? Right, fire. And the beginning sound for fire is, that's right, the F sound. And we have a picture of a fan. And we have a picture of you are so smart. Yes, a fish. And then we have a picture of, you're right, a gate. Now, for our last picture, this is a picture of you're right, a cat. And we have another picture of a can. And the beginning sound of the word of this picture of a cat, what's the beginning sound of that? What do you hear when we say the word cat? Correct. And can. And this is a picture of a cake. And you're right. And this is a picture of, right, corn. And this is B and K. Those are the beginning sounds. And who has a K sound? Who has a F sound? Like fan, fish, or fence, or fire. Well, when I call tomorrow, I want you guys to tell me, okay? All right. Now we're going to write those compound words. And the first picture and the first word we're going to draw is, right, for the basketball. So, I'm going to do my best, okay? So here we go. All right. And I'm going to color that in. And what am I making again? Right, a basketball. Am I the best artist in the world? No. But I'm going to try my best. Oh, now I got to remember how I made the basketball. So we're going to go this way and this way and that way and that way. Okay. And the beginning sound of the word basketball. You're right, the letter B. A S K E T B A L L. And that says basketball. Good job. All right. Now we're going to draw this. What's this? A soccer ball. I have to draw another circle. All right. And I got to remember what it told me on YouTube. Is it gonna be perfect? Nah, but it's okay. So I'm gonna fill that in.